Headache pressure points. Simple guide for relief. This presentation explains several pressure points that may help relieve headaches using techniques inspired by traditional Chinese medicine. These methods are simple, require no equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. The idea behind these techniques comes from the concept of meridians, which are pathways in the body believed to carry energy. By applying pressure to certain points along these pathways, it may help reduce tension, improve circulation, and relieve discomfort. First, let's look at the point called GB20. GB20 is located at the base of your skull, right where your neck muscles attach. If you run your fingers up the back of your neck, you will feel a ridge where the skull begins. Just below that ridge, in the soft hollow areas on both sides, is where this point is located. To use this point, press firmly but comfortably using your thumbs or knuckles. You should feel a deep, dull pressure, not sharp pain. Hold the pressure for about 20 to 60 seconds while breathing slowly, then release. This can help with tension headaches, neck stiffness, eye strain, and stress. Next is the Li4 point, located on your hand. This point is found between your thumb and index finger. When you bring your thumb and finger together, you'll see a raised muscle area. The pressure point is in the middle of that area. To apply pressure, use your opposite thumb and press into the muscle toward the index finger. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds with moderate pressure. You should feel a dull ache or tenderness, which is normal. This point is often used for headaches, facial pain, and tension in the upper body. Now let's move to LV3, located on your foot. This point is on the top of the foot, between the big toe and the second toe. Slide your finger upward from the space between the toes until you feel a slight depression between the bones. That is the correct spot. Apply firm but comfortable pressure using your thumb or knuckle. Avoid pressing directly on the bone. You may feel a deep soreness or spreading sensation toward the toes. Hold for several seconds, then release. This point is commonly used to relieve stress-related headaches and promote relaxation. Finally, we have ST8, located on the head. This point is found near the corner of the forehead, slightly inside the hairline, above the temple. To locate it, place your finger at the outer end of your eyebrow and move upward toward the hairline. You should find a slightly tender spot. Apply moderate pressure using your index or middle finger. Press gently inward and slightly upward. Avoid pressing too hard or directly downward. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds while breathing slowly. This point may help with frontal headaches, migraines, sinus pressure, and eye strain. General tips. Always apply firm but comfortable pressure. You should feel a dull ache, not sharp pain. Breathe slowly while holding each point. Repeat each technique 2 to 3 times if needed. These methods are simple and may provide relief, but they are not a substitute for medical care. If headaches are severe, frequent, or unusual, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. End of presentation.